people, hope you're all doing good. So I'm here to show you a very easy DIY face mask, which is good for brightening up your skin and giving you that instant glow. So let's get started with the ingredient. Starting off, the main ingredient is strawberries. So I've taken 2 sliced strawberries, and we are going to heat this in microwave just to soften it a little bit, maybe for 10 seconds. So once the strawberries have softened, it looks like this. You can just mash it with a fork, and then we are going to add 2 to 3 slices of banana mashed, and then we have got a tablespoon of rolled oats. You can grind them or you can use it as a whole. A tablespoon of yogurt and 2 to 3 drops of natural honey. Guys, firstly I've taken the strawberries. After heating them in microwave, it tends to become soft and mushy, so it's easy to mash it into smooth paste. And you know guys, strawberries are so good. They've got plenty of antioxidants, which is why it's really good for the skin, because it acts as an anti-aging face mask, so, and also gives you that extra glow. Up next we have banana. We're going to take 2 to 3 slices of banana. I'm sorry, this is turned brown because it was exposed to air for a long time as I was recording, but that's okay. So let's just add 2 to 3 slices of banana. You know, banana's got a good amount of potassium, which is very good for the skin, and you know, it instantly hydrates your skin, giving that moisture to your face, and also it's going to be adding a lot of softness to your skin, making it more supple. I love banana personally. I love to add banana to almost all my masks. So let's mix this really well. And then up next we have a tablespoon of oats. We're going to add a tablespoon of oats to this paste. Guys, oats is another ingredient which I absolutely love, and I add to almost all my face masks because it's a natural exfoliator which helps to remove all the dirt from your face, and plus it soaks up all the oil from your face to prevent acne, but it also locks all the moisture on your face, so keeping your skin really hydrated. So adding oats to almost all your face masks is a good option. You can add it to any face mask. I absolutely love this. Next up we have yogurt, a tablespoon of yogurt. You know yogurt's benefits. It's another ingredient which helps to brighten up your skin and fade away any dark spots, pigmentation, but over the period of time it takes time. But adding yogurt also adds moisture. Then lastly we have honey. Just going to add a drop or two. Honey is another ingredient which helps to lighten any dark spots or acne scars, pigmentation, and also it moisturizes the skin very deeply, giving you that natural glow, and it hydrates your skin instantly. So these are all the ingredients. So guys, our easy DIY face mask is ready for glowing skin. You can just apply it on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes until it dries up, and then wash it off. And guys, not to forget, try to include these DIY face masks in your daily routine to see the endless results. I absolutely love using all the natural ingredients for my skin, and you guys know my skin is super sensitive, so I try to use natural ingredients as much as I can. So let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more DIYs, and if you're dealing with any skin issues, let me know so I can come up with a good DIY. So until then, stay tuned and show some love. Bye bye.